Okay, today I'm going to show you how to make some slamming burgers for the grill. That is no salt added. First, take about a pound of ground beef. Then, you're going to take yourself a orange and cut it up. And then you're going to fillet the peelings off the backside and chop it up into some really nice fine orange peel. Fresh. Load that in there. Then you're going to take roughly a tablespoon, maybe more if you like onions more. And I'm balancing my phone here while I'm getting my onions. Me, I like onions a little more, so I'm going with 2 tablespoons. A little bit heaping, if you will. So, got my tablespoon of chopped red onions. Dumping that in. And another one. And then some more chopped red onions. Throwing it in. So that's my other pound of beef there. That'll be used later on. Then I'm going to use the star to show here. Mrs. Dash Steak Grilling Blends, salt-free. I've made this before. It is really good. So, my personal taste is to actually take 2 tablespoons of this. I guess when I'm doing salt-free, it's I just need more spices to make up the fact that there's no salt in it, and so that's 2 tablespoons of that. Now normally I prefer to chop my own garlic, but I don't know where it went. But just a dash of garlic. Obviously any of these things, if you don't like it, just skip it out. Those of us with high blood pressure, garlic is a good thing. Now I'm going to take some where's my black pepper? Right in front of me. Now I'm also going to take some freshly ground black pepper and add it into the mix. Now, my brother gave me an awesome gift. Well, my brother's family gave me an awesome gift. A kitchen-made mixer. Using a mixer to make this a whole lot easier. So, lock it down. Starting off at 1. Get it mixed up a little. Then I start kicking it up into high speed to about 4. And let it mix it for a little bit. Now, I am currently using 80%. I looked at the sodium levels of all these ground beefs at Food Line. I'm going to slow it down now. Just put the speed 2. And everything that they had there was 70 milligrams per serving at 4 ounces, which is your basic quarter-pound burger. So I'm going to let this mix here for about 5 minutes. Let it get thoroughly through everything. If you feel that you need to make it a little bit more liquidy for some reason, adding some orange juice that is straight from the oranges you just cut. That'll make it a little bit more moist to me. It looks good enough. So, at the end of the time, once you get done mixing this up, just form your patties. You're good to go. You make some quarter-pound burgers. They are going to be delicious, considering it is salt-free. I'll change the speeds here and there just to get it all mixed up well. Once if it starts warming up a little bit, you'll actually see your fat smacking through the sides of the bowl, and you won't have to worry about picking that up. But the fat will actually hold it together. But I'm more interested in sodium reduction than fat reduction. I will admit the last one of these I had was 93%. So this should taste that much better. I think we're going to call it good. Drop it down to 1. Let it turn into bigger amounts. I'm going to call it done. So from here, that is going to be an awesome, awesome burger mix. Trust me.